Create a function censor that accepts no arguments. Censor will return a function that accepts either 2 strings or 1 string. When 2 strings are given, the returned function will hold on to the 2 strings as a pair for future use. Okay. When 1 string is given, the function will return that string, except all instances of the first string of the saved pairs will be replaced with their corresponding second string. Okay, so the overall approach, I think I'm going to make a cache object to store our strings, which would be key value pairs, and then I'll return a function that checks to see if the second parameter, the second argument is a string, or if it's there or not. If it is, we log those as key value pairs, and if not, we return the string and replace the keys with the values in the objects. Replace the keys in the string with the value of those keys. So declare new object, and we will return a function with 2 args. Then we'll check to see if second arg is truthy. If it is, if it's there, assign first arg as new key, second arg as value to key. Else, return arg, the 1 arg, but replace any words that equal key with the value of that key. Alright, so we'll start out with our cache object and get to return our function that has 2 strings, or yeah, 2 arguments. String 2. Okay. Check to see if second arg is truthy. So if string 2, then cache string 1 equals string 2. Perfect. So now they're assigning the first string, the first argument as the key, and the second, or the argument, the value of that key is the second argument. Okay. This should be moved up. Okay. And then we'll return string 1 if that's not true, except we will replace let's see. All right, so we're also going to need so we're also going to need a loop to loop over our cache object. So for key in cache, and then we're also going to need a new variable here. So let's there we go. Okay. So then we'll assign our new string to be a string that we're using, calling a replace method on it with cache key. Or wait, no. So the value is what we're replacing, the actual key name is what we have in there. So, okay. And then, oh, we need to return our string out, which is this line here, return string. Okay. This will be a halfway. Oh, okay, I see. I see the issue. So quick and slow gets changed last, so it's not saving. So I do need to declare it in our closed over variable environment, which it is not in right now. So this whole thing actually will get moved up to right here. Make that look nice. Okay, let's see. Slow. Nope. That didn't matter because we have our object here. That doesn't matter. Alright, okay. That didn't matter. It's doing is assigning it to itself. It's reassigning it to itself. So it's not. What if if I do this and then assign string to string 1, then string 1 is not identified. Of course it's not. Because it is not back under here. Okay. The slow, right? Yeah, slow brown fox jumps over the lazy cats. Okay, perfect. Now we have what we're looking for. Perfect, so going over it, we have our function censor that is assigned to our new variable change scene. And when we invoke change scene with the arguments dogs and cats, it is truth, string 2 is truthy, so it assigns our key dogs to our value cats in our new cache object we have declared here. Again, for quick and slow, quick key, slow value. The third time, since there's only one argument here, string 2 is not truthy, so we go to our else block here, and we have a variable string here, which is the value of string 1, and string is getting assigned. The first pass is replacing dogs with cat, and the second pass in our loop here is replacing quick with slow, and returning our string out to get desired console log.